Wait, before you scroll further, look at your hand. Right now, in another parallel universe, you are watching this video, but you are already a billionaire. Or you are a fish. Or you are not watching this video because your universe disintegrated into atoms a billion years ago. It sounds like science fiction, but this is the multiverse. It is not just a philosophical idea, it is a direct consequence of the equations upon which all modern physics is based. In the next few minutes, we will explore 4 main scientific models that prove our universe may be just a grain of sand in the ocean. And we will start with the simplest. The infinite space that must repeat itself. Our space is infinite, and like any infinity, it must repeat. Imagine that our universe is just bubble A, bubble universe. Scientists know that space-time is flat and constantly expanding, and it does so infinitely. If space is infinite, the number of possible configurations of particles within it, though vast, is finite. This means that if you move away from us by much more than a googolplex meters, you will meet your absolute copy. This is a consequence of the Poincare recurrence theorem, which predicts that in any isolated system, its initial state will eventually repeat. Of course, the distance is terrifying, but the existence of your copy is mathematically inevitable in infinite space. This is a Type 1 multiverse. Every choice creates a new universe. Every choice creates a new universe due to the nature of quantum mechanics. This is the most dramatic theory, proposed by physicist Hugh Everett in the 1950s. It stems from quantum mechanics, the science of the smallest particles. The key here is the principle of superposition. Recall the famous Double-Slit Experiment. When we don't observe the electron, it behaves like a wave and passes through both slits simultaneously. When we do observe it, the wave function collapses and the electron chooses only one path. The many worlds theory suggests a different solution. The wave function never collapses. At the moment of observation, the universe simply splits. In one universe, the electron went path A, and in a parallel world, you decided not to finish watching this video. This is a Type 3 multiverse. Our universe is a membrane in a higher dimension, and other membranes exist nearby. This theory comes from string theory and M theory, which suggests the existence of 10 or 11 dimensions. Imagine that our 3-dimensional universe, plus time, is a sheet of paper called a brane. These branes float in a larger multidimensional space called the bulk. This can explain a great mystery of physics, why gravity is so weak compared to other forces, electromagnetism, nuclear forces. Proponents of this theory believe that gravitons, the force-carrying particles of gravity, can leak from our brane into other dimensions, making it weaker for us. It's like water leaking through a porous wall. Other brane universes might be located just a millimeter away from us in a higher dimension, but we don't see them because light, photons, remains confined to our brane. This is a Type 2 multiverse. Universes are born, die, and are born again through cosmic processes. Inflationary multiverse, bubble worlds. This model suggests that immediately after the Big Bang, a rapid expansion, inflation, occurred. This expansion never stops everywhere, but in some regions it slows down, creating our bubble. In other places, inflation continues, giving birth to an infinite number of other bubble universes. This is a Type 1 multiverse, but with a different birth mechanism. Cyclic, or ekpyrotic multiverse. This is an alternative to the Big Bang. Instead of an initial singularity, the universe undergoes infinite cycles of expansion and contraction. Our brane collides with another brane, from Chapter 3, giving rise to a new bang and renewing the cycle. Each new cycle may have slightly modified physical constants. If these theories are correct, then the laws of physics that gave rise to our sun, our continents, and ultimately you, are just one of an infinite set of rules. This is where KosmoZoo begins. Imagine that in the brane multiverse, gravity is 10 times stronger. Would elephants be able to evolve there, or would they be flat? Or what if a different quantum leap created a world where oxygen is impossible? What forms of cosmic animals would we encounter there? Write in the comments what your parallel universe would be like. And subscribe to KosmoZoo so you don't miss our next video where we will discuss how was our universe born, from the Big Bang to the multiverse. I'll be waiting for you on the channel. I think you'll find it interesting.